Photoperiodism and Flowering. Flowering in a plant occurs at a particular time of the year and is controlled by factors like photoperiod and temperature. The response of plants to the relative lengths and alternations of light and dark periods with regard to initiation of flowering is called photoperiodism. It was discovered by Garner and Allard in 1920. On the basis of photoperiod, plants are of three types: short day plants, long day plants, day neutral plants. Short day plants require longer dark period for flowering. Example: tobacco, rice, dahlia. Long day plants require longer light period for flowering. Example: wheat, oat, radish, lettuce. Day neutral plants are not dependent on photoperiod for flowering. Example: tomato, sunflower.